Hello, boys and girls, and for math class today, you are going to be doing a base 10 match. So the first thing you're going to do is click your record button, and they have done the first one for you. So you're going to look at the 10 frames, or in this case, since there's two of them, this is our 20 frame. You're going to count them. So I know if I have one full 10 frame, that's 10. So all I have to do is say 10 and then count on 11. So they matched it to the base 10 blocks that have, remember, this is a stick of 10. If I counted each one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, there'd be 10. So just like a full 10 frame, I don't have to count every dot. I don't have to count every cube because if they give me a stick, then I know that there's 10. So 10, 11. So I'm going to draw a line with, you can do marker if you want. So I'm going to trace what they have given me. The next one, here's one full 10 frame. So I know that I don't have to count them. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'm going to come over here and see where I could find 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Nope, not that one. I'm going to go down here. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's that match. So I'm going to draw a line to match. You're going to find all of the matches, then click the green check mark to send to your teacher.